How to add a photo in Snapseed. Snapseed is a powerful photo editing app that allows you to enhance images with professional tools. To add a photo on Snapseed, first of all open the Snapseed on your smartphone. Once you open the app, tap on the screen and browse through your photos that you want to edit. Once you select the image, you will see it displayed on the editing screen. You can now use Snapseed tools to enhance your photos. Now that you have successfully added a photo in Snapseed, you can start editing by using filters, adjusting brightness and more. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add photo on Snapseed. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.